Hello friends, this question is from test series number 2. Subject name is analog circuit, topic name is diode circuit and application. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that one 6 volt Zener diode is connected across across a R ohm resistor, and the knee current of the Zener knee current is defined as a 5 milliampere. Knee current is the current across Zener, which is 5 milliampere is defined. We need to find the minimum value of resistor R such that voltage across Zener diode does not fall of 6 volt. So if the voltage across Zener diode is 6 volt, so we need to find the current R. So we can see that if the source voltage is 10 volt, Zener voltage is 6 volt. So basically we know that we know the voltage difference across 50 ohm resistor. So if we know the voltage difference upon 50 ohm resistor, I can calculate the source current, that is my 10 minus 6 upon 50, which will be comes out as 80 milliampere. So after 80 milliampere current is coming in from the source, 5 milliampere current is going to the Zener diode. So what is the remaining current will be 75 milliampere, and where it will go, the only path remains is R. So 75 milliampere current will go across R. So across resistance R, voltage is what? 6 volt, because in parallel voltage remains the same. So voltage resistance across the R, voltage must be 6 volt, nothing else. And we know the current across the R, that is 75 milliampere. Then what is the R? V is equal to IR. I know the V, I know the I can easily calculate R, which is V by I. So 6 upon 75 milliampere, which comes out as 80 ohm. So for the minimum value of the R should be 80, such that the voltage across R should not fall of 6 volt. So my answer is 80 volt. Thank you.